Hello there everybody, it's here and I'm today I'm at Manchester Airport right there, and just before I finish my intro there's a Northern Rail departing to Manchester Piccadilly, I believe. So we'll see this go by first. 323 that goes into the distance. I do apologise for my camera won't focus sometimes. I do apologise for that. I do try to clean it sometimes to make it focus a bit more, but I don't think that's focusing, so yeah. But anyway, as I was saying, today we're at Manchester Airport. I'm with my nan over there, well, right there. And today we're doing service by First Transparent Express, Arriva Trains Wells, Northern Rail as you just saw, and Manchester Metrolink over that way. So yeah, let's see what we're having to depart here at Manchester Airport. Today is the 11th of April 2018, if you're watching this in the future. And yeah, hopefully leave a like and subscribe if you do want to enjoy the video, and yeah, let's see what arrives and departs here at Manchester Airport. And just approaching now is another Northern Rail, and once again my phone doesn't want to focus, that's why my camera quality is so bad, but I do apologise guys. But there's a Northern coming in, I believe from probably Southport or something. I believe that's also a pace on the back, which is great, so it'll be a 142. I mean, it's not a pace actually, I don't think it actually is, no, but it is a 156486. We have 156425 on the reel. So park up just behind the Arriva Trains Wales. I'm just approaching in now is a Northern Electrics, which would be like a 325 something like that, or whatever. I have to keep zooming out to keep the focus, and it is 319370. Another little Northern Electrics there. Approaching nice and quietly. Now I hope if my camera focuses I'll be able to zoom in a lot more. My camera will let me focus. And there it is arriving into platform, is it 2? I think, is it platform 2 or 3? And just arriving in now is a 185 First Transparent Express, which I believe will be coming from like Cleethorpes or something. See this one coming. Can't really see the numbers as well. Oh, it's on the side, isn't it? 185123. Now that goes into platform 1. And then that goes into terminate at Manchester Airport. I apologise for missing this guys, but there goes Manchester Metrolink off to Manchester Victoria via Market Street. That goes off into the little mini tunnel around that little tight corner. If my camera will focus a little bit more, no it won't because of the freezing cold weather. There's a plane up there as well. And yeah, but I don't know how many times I think that Northern Rail's ready to depart, but hasn't departed yet. Okay, that's off to Preston, I believe, so yeah. And here comes another Manchester Metrolink coming out of the tunnel now. And I'm guessing that's where it comes from, Manchester Victoria, maybe Cornbrook, maybe. We'll have to see when it gets a little bit closer. I didn't read the numbers last time on that tram actually, but I think that's Manchester Victoria. Yeah, Manchester Victoria. And there goes Northern Rail. See this? 3114. And there goes the Northern Rail off to Preston. One 56486. And that goes, and off that tram goes as well. Is my camera focus? Nope, it's still too cold, okay. And off that goes off to Preston. And any second now, I think one of them two will be leaving, either the Arriva or the Transpennine Express next to it, because I just heard the door siren thing shutting, so either them two or could possibly be that one next to him on the other platform, be leaving any second now. There's nothing coming yet over down there at the minute, down the start line. But I think one of these should be leaving any second now, because they've just been shutting their doors, so we'll see which one will be leaving. Right, the conductor has just blew his whistle, so I'm guessing they're definitely getting ready to leave now, so let's see which one of them comes out. I don't know which one it is. It's probably a Transpennine, I believe, going off to, I believe, York or something, so we'll just have to see, or Newcastle or Middlesbrough potentially. But one of them are getting ready to leave. Jesus Christ. And it is the Transpennine that's leaving. The little horn to be by surprise. .185 102. Where my camera's actually focusing a little bit better there. And now it's not. Great. Well, off that goes, I believe, to either Newcastle, Middlesbrough, York, or Cleethorpes. Well, Cleethorpes, because the one I guess is probably still over there in that platform. But off that goes into a distance. That's probably going to Manchester Piccadilly now, and yeah, let's see what else comes into Manchester Airport or leaves. Oh, and off goes the Arriva trains Wales off to Llandudno, I believe. That's pretty much where it only goes to Manchester Airport. Another one, well, obviously 175, it's one we saw coming earlier in the video. I apologise for the lack of focusing, the camera doesn't want to focus again. We don't need to read the numbers because we all know what they are. 175, 0110, or 010. Off that goes. Pretty much a quiet day so far here at Manchester Airport. Not usually like the airport's been majorly quiet, really. Usually a lot of trains that come past here quite a lot, really. I'm guessing maybe because it's April or something, but yeah, well, off that goes into the distance. On the camera focus, not really. Well, yeah, off that goes to Llandudno, most likely. And yeah, a very, very quiet day here at Manchester Airport, I have to believe. Very, very, very quiet. There's only, I think, 2 trains left here right now, and that's that Transpennine Express there, and I believe the stuff's that came from Cleethorpes most likely on platform 1. So yeah, pretty much doing 2 trains here, and I think there might be a tram down there or something, I don't know. But yeah, I might record about 2 more trains or something till they come. But yeah, but speaking of trains, there's actually one coming in now. It's another Northern Electrics. It'll be on the 390 most likely, and once again my camera will not focus. And it comes in now to platform, I'm guessing it's the Manchester Piccadilly service. 319 442. That goes to stopping to, well, this platform actually, because they're separate platforms, but that goes to stopping. I believe that's obviously, yeah, the Manchester Piccadilly service, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, might record maybe this Transpennine Express coming out, then I'll probably end the video there. But hopefully you've enjoyed it so far. Actually, leave a like if you have, and I hope you're enjoying the video. And once again, sort of missed the tram coming out, but off that goes to Manchester Victoria via Market Street. 3114. I believe that's actually the tram numbers that I actually didn't read the first time actually, so yeah, off that goes to Manchester Victoria, which is from here, pretty much on the other side of Manchester, so that's got quite a long way to go. Off that goes into the sort of semi-distance, so yeah, off that goes, the 3114. Them doors were just shutting then, for the Manchester Piccadilly service, this one over here I think. I think it's Manchester Piccadilly now, I'm not sure, but I think that one might be getting ready to leave already. We'll soon have to see, but I did hear something off them doors, literally just before I tapped the record button, so I think this might be leaving. Well, this one is actually, it's not Transparent Express, what did I say? It's Northern Electrics. Off that goes, 319, 317. Off that goes. Off that goes to Liverpool Lime Street. Yeah, I really do apologise for the lack of focusing on this camera. It just won't focus today because of the freezing cold weather. Off that goes to Liverpool. I'll probably be back here in about an hour's time or something. And off that goes. I think that might be my final train of this episode. Well, not episode, of this video, guys. So, hopefully you enjoyed it. I did one at Manchester Piccadilly as well. I'll try and leave a link in the description for that. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed my little trip spot video here at Manchester Airport. And, yeah, mate. And we're about to go to the airport to do a bit of plane spotting, so maybe a double upload today, maybe, it depends. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this episode, and yeah guys, thank you for watching. I believe this train's getting ready to leave actually before I end this video, so let's see if this train leaves. I don't think it is.
No, it's not.
But yeah, thank you for watching this video guys, and until my next video I shall see you all soon, but until then, peace.